Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into the primary PSN account that owns PlayStation Plus. This makes it the host. Once signed in, make sure secondary accounts already exist on the same console. Next, go to Settings and System to ensure console is set as your primary PS5 or activated as primary PS4. This step grants shared access to games and online benefits. Do this now so entitlement flows to other accounts without repurchasing. It's the critical first action. Now you activate sharing on the console itself. On PS5, go to Users and Accounts, then Other, and enable console sharing and offline play. On PS4, choose Activate as your primary PS4 in account management. Once done, sign out the primary account and sign into a secondary account to test access. Make sure saved data and online multiplayer access appear under the secondary user. This verifies the activation worked and prevents surprises when others try to play. Finish by testing. From a secondary account, launch a PlayStation Plus game and try online multiplayer. If it runs, you're done. If it fails, sign back into the primary account and re-enable console sharing, then reboot the console. Intermittent PSN outages can also block sharing, so check service status if problems persist. Remember why this matters. Only one console is allowed as the subscription host at a time, so moving the primary activation elsewhere requires you to deactivate first to avoid access conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.